Hey, what's up y'all? It's Abeje'h. Welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna hop right into the video. So as y'all can see, that is my hair with the clip ends, and then you're gonna see me take them out, and then that is how it looks with them out. And so what we're gonna do is just put some water on the hair. Y'all look at how shrinkage be playing with me. Just look. And so we're gonna go in with the Abeje'h scalp care shampoo. Y'all, that shampoo made my so the shampoo made my hair feel really soft, and I was actually able to detangle my hair with it. I like how it didn't get all soapy and foamy like the normal shampoo does, so that was a plus for me since I was able to, you know, get my hair detangled with that. And then for part of this video, I will be speeding it up. Some of it would just kind of be self-explanatory. If you have any questions, just put them down in the comments and I will respond to them. And then now, as y'all can see, this is me detangling my hair. See, look, like I said, the shrinkage just be playing with your girl. Just look, really be playing with me. And y'all, when I tell y'all that I was just able to easily detangle my hair with no problems with the shampoo in there, it just made my life a lot easier. And then now I'm just getting the water ready so I can wash my hair, and I'm just washing the shampoo out. And then while I'm doing that, I do like to go in there and massage my scalp as well, but you won't really see that in this video. You'll just see all my stank faces, so please ignore the stank faces, y'all. Okay, so now I'm going in with the scalp care mask. So for this, you're really supposed to separate your hair into like 6 sections and leave it in there for about 20 minutes, or maybe I think it's at 10 to 20 minutes. I did not section my hair. I did not have time for that, so I just put it all over my hair. I'm gonna make sure I got it in my scalp as well. The mask, it made my hair feel really nice and soft as well. When I rinsed it out, my hair was looking very nice, as y'all can see. Very, very clean. Curls is popping. You already know. And now I'm just going to go in with the conditioner. And I did detangle my hair with the conditioner in there as well, but I did not record that on camera because when I detangle with the conditioner, I kind of just like to make sure I'm detangling my hair really well. I also did not show the hair that I had shedded because, like I said, I had those clip-ins in for about 2 weeks. So I did have a little bit of shedding because for about 2 weeks I did not comb or brush my hair with those clip-ins in. I just put some water on it and then just put some products on it. And now I'm just getting the conditioner rinsed out. Y'all just look at the hair. Just look at how shiny and nice it looks. And boom, that is the hair with no product in it and the conditioner rinsed out. It just looks so nice and bouncy. And I just wanted to give y'all a close up. So now I'm just going to go in with the hair growth oil. It's like a follicle treatment. I believe that's what it said on there. And I just took it and I just massaged it through my scalp. I didn't record me doing it the entire time. I just recorded a couple of seconds of it. So y'all will just see how I just take it and just put it in my scalp. Alrighty, and then this is the fun part. So now I'm going to be putting the perm rods in my hair. I just section it off and then just make sure that everything is detangled before I do that. And I'm going to go in with the curl elixir from Abeje'h and just put that in my hair. Please ignore my stank faces, y'all. I was talking. Just please ignore it, y'all. And then as you can see, I'm just taking the perm rod and wrapping my hair around it in a circular motion. I don't know if there's really like a technique to do it, but I just take the hair, just wrap it around it and just make sure that it's moisturized. And then I'm going to move on to the next one. And then that's how it looks when I got finished with that one. Alright, and then as you can see, I'm just repeating that process again, which is just detangling it, going in with the product, and then taking the perm rod and just wrapping my hair around it.
Just to make your money, but my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip, I know people die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip, I know people Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night, 4 shows I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, boat I'm paddling. Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. I can tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depending. The girl, ride the whip. I love it, die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depending. The girl, ride the whip. I love it, die for nothing. Oh, no, I bought
And I wanted to include this part in there as well because I'm just showing y'all how I part my hair for how I want to wear it. So this day I did a side part, so that's what y'all are seeing now. It's just me making sure that my part is just the way that I like it to be. And see, look, like I said before, the shrinkage just be playing with your girl. Look at that. Look, just stop playing. Just stop playing at this point.
This one I better do the job, me I no get time, da cover my face.
Okay, so now I am done with all of the perm rods, and I'll just give y'all a 360 of how it's looking. I did not actually part it and just section it off like all of it. I just did the part for where I wanted my part to go in the front, and then now I'm just getting it all taken out. As you can see, I did put some oil on my hands before I decided to take them out, so you might see me go back and show that somewhere in the video.
Make you know say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, I they try to do I'm plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it going? G-Wagon, all depending.
Okay, yeah, so there goes the oil. I did put it on my hands when I was taking the perm rods out, and I did just put a little bit more on my hands to separate them. I also did go in with a blow dry because my hair was still a little bit wet. I let it air dry overnight, so I didn't include the part of me blow drying my hair. But now I'm just going to separate them, and when you're separating it, you want to separate where the hair naturally where the hair naturally separates, so you don't want to create much frizz. So I tried to do it the best way possible to create the least amount of frizz.
I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depending.
Okay, so as y'all can see, I got all of them separated, and then what I'm doing, I'm just taking the pick, and I just pick at the roots a bit because I wanted some more volume. So I did my hair like this for a photo shoot, so the next video that y'all will see would be just kind of like a vlog of me doing the photo shoot. And then that was the back of my hair because I know somebody's going to ask to see the back. I really do appreciate y'all for watching my video, and if you have any questions, please just leave them in the comments below. That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.